DGRO is the most underrated dividend growth ETF nobody talks about, and it's quietly growing your income year after year. If you want a dividend ETF built for long-term wealth and rising cash flow, this one deserves your attention. Part 1. What is DGRO? DGRO stands for the iShares Core Dividend Growth ETF. It focuses on U.S. companies with a strong track record of consistently growing their dividends. Instead of chasing the highest yield, DGRO prioritizes quality, financial strength, and long-term dividend growth, making it a core holding for income-focused investors. Part 2. Key characteristics. This ETF trades under the ticker symbol DGRO and currently manages over $36 billion in assets. It has a low expense ratio of around 0.08%, making it highly cost-efficient for long-term investors. DGRO pays quarterly dividends with a current yield of approximately 2.1% and invests in profitable U.S. companies with sustainable payout ratios. The fund avoids companies with excessive debt, helping reduce risk while supporting steady dividend growth over time. Part 3. Top holdings. DGRO holds many of the largest and most financially stable companies in the U.S. market. Top holdings include companies such as Coca-Cola, Apple, ExxonMobil, Johnson & Johnson, J.P. Morgan Chase, Procter & Gamble, and Home Depot. These are mature, cash-generating businesses that have consistently increased dividends while continuing to grow. Part 4. Performance. Historically, DGRO has delivered strong long-term total returns, closely tracking the broader market while providing steadily rising income. Since inception, it has produced an annualized return of approximately 11.87%. While its yield is lower than high-income ETFs, DGRO often outperforms during extended bull markets thanks to its focus on high-quality, dividend-growing companies. Part 5. Why invest in DGRO? Investors choose DGRO because it focuses on dividend growth rather than yield traps, providing exposure to high-quality, blue-chip U.S. companies with a history of sustainable payouts. Its emphasis on financially strong businesses helps keep volatility lower than the broader market while maintaining a strong balance between income and capital appreciation. This makes DGRO an ideal ETF for investors building long-term wealth, especially those in the accumulation phase or early retirement. Part 6. Real-world example. Let's say you invest $100 per week into DGRO for 30 years. If long-term returns remain around 11.87%, as they stand today, that portfolio could grow to over $1.1 million, while generating a steadily rising stream of dividend income. Over time, DGRO shows how patience, compounding, and dividend growth can work together to build real wealth. If you want more ETFs explained simply, like, subscribe, and let me know which one you want next.